A person borrowed rupees 1,500 at the rate of 5% per annum, simple interest. What amount will he pay to clear the debt after 4 years? Now, it is given here simple interest. So we'll use the formula for simple interest, which is PNR upon 100. Now, a person borrowed rupees 1,500. So this becomes P at the rate of 5%. So 5 becomes R. What amount will he pay to clear the debt after 4 years? So this becomes N. So let's substitute these values in the formula. So principal is 1,500, N is 4, R is 5 upon 100. So zeros get cancelled out. Now 15 fours are 60, 60 fives are 300. So the simple interest is 300. Now the question asked is what amount? Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Now principal is 1,500, interest is 300. So therefore amount will be rupees 1,800. Hence option B will be our answer.